Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add a dedicated review section to your Shopify product page. So let's get started. First, you have to add a review app. Before you do that, go to your web browser and type in shopify.com in the search bar. After the website appears, enter your account credentials and log in. Now, once logged in, go to apps in Shopify and search for product reviews by Shopify. Just go to your online store and type in product review. Okay. And search for it in the App Store, in the Shopify App Store. You'll find various apps. You can choose the Judge.me product review app here. Select it, and if you haven't already installed it, there will be an install button here. Click on it and follow the prompts to install it. Now, once added, go to Online Store in your dashboard and click on Themes. Next, click on the Customize button next to the three dots next to your theme here. After that, the product page will be opened. Here, you should find the section. You should add a section here and call it Product Review. Let's see here. We'll add a section in the template or in the footer, featured products. No, we'll add this in the template. We'll search for product review. We can't find it, so I guess we'll choose a format that is convenient to product reviews. You can choose the multi-column here, or you can choose the multi-column here. Now, you can rename it product review. After that, you can customize it however you like. You can customize the color, you can customize the layout and sort orders. And after finishing your customization and making sure it's adequate, click on Save to keep your changes. And that's it. Now you've added a review section to your Shopify store's product page. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have further more questions. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.